They've done worse. They've done worse to Wontumi.
That took place in the Summer Boy Forest, where a young man and about, we're told, 28 people.
Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Mesro, like, comment, subscribe, then your notification so that anytime you post a video with Seria, with some Bekebi. Yeah, brother Kofi tonto. Ebano NPP communicators, moi, Sally, or one of the solid people out there. About communication. Now, I am it they say the new breed but currently NPP communicators have made it a point that they will not allow themselves to be bullied on any show whatsoever. Now, that dispensation people can just say anything, do anything, behave anyhow towards NPP communicators, is becoming a thing of the past. Now, Kofi tonto, having made a brilliant submission, Tv3 so no. Na jama Berla Mundi, pese opupu asem no momano. And discussion was in relation to chairman Wontumi. Now, in some Berla Mundi sometimes you wonder, say, how do literate even speak this way in the first place? Somebody that is a literate supposed to be a literate. Say work side be a wako build structure be a throw structure no so a quantum money wa jimun say chema Wontumi no blah blah blah. Oh, mu ya propaganda kura mu ndwin kakrampo. So now there is no difference between a journalist and an NDC foot soldier. Blind arguments are not the answer. But thanks be to God, say NPP indeed has gentlemen like Kofi tonto who would put you in place. Let's go and watch this clip. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
They've done worse. They've done worse to Wontumi.
That took place in the Summer Boy Forest, where a young man and about, we're told, 28 people were picked up. Now, when they went there, the structure in which they were patching, it had a contaminant written on top of it. Now, this young man says he was contracted by another man, Henry Okum, to go and supervise the work. They asked Henry Okum, and he says he got access to the concession through Wontumi and Akunta Mining. That's how Wontumi came into the picture. So there's some evidence, at least, that people were being arrested, and there was a need to go to court for that. Don't you think that in this case, where names have been mentioned, of course, some evidence needs to be adduced as well, so that a case can be started?
Bella, thank you for the movie story.
How is this a movie story?
Thank you very much for the movie story. No, thank you very much for the movie story.
Wait.
Please.
So are you then disrespecting the judge because she's
I'm not disrespecting the judge. I am talking about your movie story.
No, I am repeating what the judge said.
Does it not surprise you that one Wontumi, all his radio stations have been shut down?
No.
That one Wontumi, he has 3 cases going after him. Does that not surprise you? That
so
one human being.
I'm not giving you any movie story.
It's a movie story. It's a beautiful movie story. Nothing else. It's a beautiful story.
So the judge
I'm not talking about the judge. I'm talking about you.
No.
I'm talking about you, Bella. I'm talking about you. You are the one narrating the story.
But I've just given you.
Look, you are talking.
I'm paraphrasing what the judge said.
Bella, please.
So instead of coming at me, why don't you address what the judge said?
I just said you have a beautiful movie story.
No, but address it because I'm repeating what the judge has said.
Bella, you won't change my mind, though.
No, I don't intend to change my mind, but I also don't want you to sit on this platform and make it look like I'm the one conjuring stories.
No, you haven't conjured. I'm just saying that you narrated a story. Oh,
this
Bella,
movie you are referencing,
Bella,
it's from the judge.
Bella, we have only 20 minutes.
No, hold on, I'll come to you.
You see, does it not surprise you that Wontumi, one individual, has about 5 or so cases or 3 cases going at the same time? Does it not surprise you? One person, Siremsai, is going after him on all fronts. Your friend. Your friend. Oh yeah, because he's the one behind it. Your friend is going after him on all fronts.
That is his work.
His work. Oh, his work. Yes, of course, his work. His work. But the DCs are also his work. The NDC appointees are also his work. But you are going after one person over 3 cases. Look, do you know even his radio stations, they've shut all of them down. You think I shouldn't believe that this is beyond a single case? That this is an orchestration that will punish this guy? That this is hatred for a person? Look, nobody can change the fact that President Mahama pretends. You know, in Chi, we say something. Okay, he has zero. He pretends. He's vindictive. This whole thing is to punish Wontumi.
Okay.
And it's sad. But look, it's the same thing they are going to do with this tribunal thing that they are coming up.
Abusia, Chairman Wontumi nsɛm no, magada some intel. Na intelligence a menya kyerɛ sɛ 2 Supreme Court justices. No mo hyɛ Mahama and this useless NDC government, they used 2 justices of the Supreme Court and they are jailing Chairman Wontumi 20 years. In fact, a judgment, a trial judge, a friend judge, Audrey read the year no, and we didn't so the jailing Chairman Wontumi no. A one particular justice of the Supreme Court and a trust our judgment no. And the more trial judge and more kind. Yes, maybe all the gist need revelation. Now, mami issue this caveat same. And someone may become a video at this point, it's alleged. At this point, it's alleged, but Mimi would GTA woman, Fisa baby, I mean, intel on free ban, a year solid. Nagana phone she video ninso, and in seminar maybe becano, move on to Muko to Jim. Fisa Anton Copim January next year, 2027. Muba who say every single thing that maybe become a video, a year no cre. Event I ever be on foodie. Till next year January will prove me right and me will hot more than more better. Into the video you moon saving to baby. She said, "Drew Honoma, Messia Barber remind them." Now, young consum, you see, before somebody Chairman Wontumi back in our court last year, October, no, there was a crucial meeting here, a cause of one crime. Now, that meeting it was between President Mahama, Nimia Ibrahim Mahama, and the 2 justices of the Supreme Court. No, the kind current Chief Justice Bafu Boni. No, Tosum you Justice Gabriel Poaman or no Mahama ye no, and then of course Supreme Court war in 2015 to anu yenim baby and loyalty war. Yenim baby and allegiance edda yenim hawa or yen adwuma. Inti no 2 ways about that. Na sa meeting no na agenda ne ye ba kope. Ni omo koka ho asem. Tax omo dem 2 justices of the Supreme Court and say they should do everything possible to jail Chairman Wontumi. Because President Mahama and Ibrahim Mahama, they have deep-seated hatred for Chairman Wontumi. Or more personal scores are. Or more personal money in the sector. They have personal vendetta against him. Inti, almost catch almost weaponizing a justice delivery system no against Chairman Wontumi. Now, you see, almost yes, I'm meeting Ibrahim Mahama and I'm not a cancer. He's been telling people, say, at all cost, Chairman Wontumi. In fact, there is this popular female celebrity here. Ibrahim Mahama, a catcher and a point blank saying, Chairman Wontumi chinemu kind setting, omobejilinum. And some of these people, I don't have their permission, I can't mention their name. But that is basically what Mahama, enemy near Ibrahim Mahama, any 2 justices of the Supreme Court, omukoye meeting. And yeah, into omoye meeting, maybe quickly. Omokoche Chairman Wontumi in a Rambo style. And omo fizi ni assets in a bank account, you know, a GIG in Tadi. Now, there were other meetings at Koso. And in one of these meetings, I decided, trial judge, no amanatana semnoso. Send you bet me implement it. Sergeant Bonio against Chairman Wontumi. Now, judge no money, a cotton so no, and a yes, Judge Audrey. And me did some social media. I said, judge no. Ni in-law any can ashibi. Can ashibi so you be or time Chairman Wontumi. And over the years, we attacking Chairman Wontumi, assassinating a character. Over the years, in fact, a jailing Chairman Wontumi crown or Baba can say 20 years now. 20 years now, the in-law ne de ma Chairman Wontumi is can say or money become. So or no, I know me ni so on Chairman Wontumi, a case in so no jailing Chairman Wontumi. No jailing Chairman Wontumi we are. Omobe promoting from High Court or Akko Court of Appeal. Enti monhwe enton kopem next year January. Mobe won say that woman no. Oma promoting for a job well done. Say wetimi ahwe Ghana fo anim. Wa hwe that noble institution judiciary no. Wa hwe mra nanim. Na case I buy there wasn't any evidence. Chairman Wontumi enye galamsey bia but nipa mo say waye galamsey wo Chairman Wontumi asase so no mo agyan ne ma ne kɔ na mo ageli Chairman Wontumi ono asase na mo say yaye galamsey wo so. Wabra case no there wasn't any evidence say Chairman Wontumi e de asase ne ma sa papa no Henry Okum ne say onye galamsey wo so and so still mo ageli Chairman Wontumi. Enti reward almost so mo de bama da woman no ato enton kopim January so mo be promoting akọ eye court of appeal and me say mo nhye sa niema we nso esi a mo be hunu say nokre ana make and justice Puaman ono na NDC fo ye yi ni say o make sure say obetete NPP fo o mo be manipulate mra no o mo be chinchim mra no o mo be weaponize eye justice delivery system no against NPP fo and it's not going to stop at eye Chairman Wontumi no ma promising ni say Chief Justice, current Chief Justice, in December, or no mube yino as Chief Justice. And to the first baby and soon can. Chief Justice, current Chief Justice, who are called a or call retirement in December. Justice Puaman and this for ya tapen a sen, or mube yino as Chief Justice. No assignment here back up. That's all bad. He should come and deal with NPP people. Onyusu and Mrano. Omo manipulating Mrano, omo weaponizing judiciary against MPP4, omo ka MPP4 anu too. Now let me make this general statement. So obi or NDC abem any of the arms of government. To me a constitution e dia mano, obe abuse no, e dia titi MPP4. Ye ba abem a da MPP beba abem no. E same constitution and ye be use for them to account for every single thing that they have done. How use how to me a constitution in the moment and same constitution and ye be use I'm make account of everything. And you see, Justice Puaman, you can continue to do NDC for a bidding. The current Chief Justice, you can continue to do NDC for a bidding, no problem. No problem, but at that NDC for no opposition MPP baba power. Me says constitution say member. Say membrana, you will account for every single action I will take here. How I will use you to me a constitution and the maw. And you see more two options. More of the options say you will do the right thing. You will do what the constitution says. What Ghana is demanding of you as justice of the Supreme Court. Now more retirement and when you must be musika benefits are accrue to me na ye dia mamo. More that option no. Most science who option say mo be NDC for na bidding, mo be President Mahama bidding na matiti MPP for. Na mo call retirement na MPP ba power in 2029 ya. Mo be di court akwani aba. Mo be di police station akwani aba. Mo be di Europe akwani aba. Mo be di CID akwani aba. E same member, same constitution. Same constitution. Same constitution ye be mo account for how am we use power constitution in the mamo.